How to download alternate watch. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can download alternate watch. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your preferred browser. Head towards the search bar and there type in alternate watch. Press enter in your keyboard. Now, from the search results, head over to the first link on your interface, that is alternate watch by Tesheron. Click on it. Now, from this page, you have to install the alternate watch. Scroll down a bit and there you will have various versions available. So from here, you have to download the one that suits your computer. There are various options available. If you want to download the old zip, click the download button right here. Or if you want to download the latest version, you have to install or download this zip file right here. So click on download. After that, download will begin, and once the download is complete, you have to open it up, extract the file and then install the application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.